Hello guys, as you know, I am running a series of most asked important interview questions for acing your IM journey. So, today is the most important questions. Tell me about yourself, which is asked in most of the interviews, and it can make or break your interview. So, we will discuss how to proceed for this question, how to answer those, so that your chances of getting selected would increase. So let's discuss. So first, we have to understand why interviewer asked this question. What is the motive behind that? So if we deep dive why they are asking this question, so you will find out three things. First thing, they are checking our communication skills. Second thing, how clear are you about yourself? How much you know about yourself? Clarity about yourself. And third thing, how you can structure or explain the things. So do you think they wanted to know about us? No, they obviously they have our resume and they know everything about us. But then also they ask this question. So we have to understand this. So we can how we can start with this. So we can start with some of the attention grabbing things. And also we don't have to mention everything in this particular answer. So suppose if your name is Avinash, let's say, take an example. So you can start with, hello sir, my name is Avinash. If they have already mentioned, so Avinash, tell me about yourself, then you don't have to mention, hello sir, I am Avinash, because he know your name is Avinash. So first thing, you have got clear what is the first structure of name. Either you can mention or not, depends on the situation. Second thing, you have to tell your background, academic background or state, city where you lived. You have to mention those. Third thing, you can mention your work ex if you have any. Fourth thing, you can mention your hobbies, achievements. So suppose a boy named Avinash, he's living in Delhi. Did his BTech from IPU. He have work ex of 2 years in TCS in IT, and his hobbies are writing poetries. Achievement, you can mention won cricket tournament, inter college level. So you can mention that. So now we have to decide how to structure the answer from this data. So first thing, you can mention, hello sir, good morning sir, or good morning ma'am, my name is Avinash. If they have mentioned that, Avinash, tell me something about yourself, so then you can mention that, hello sir, I come from Delhi. You can start with this. So suppose they have mentioned, tell me something about yourself. So hello sir, my name is Avinash. I come from the capital of India, Delhi. So you can mention capital of India. It would capital of India. You can mention something like that. Suppose if you come from, let's say, if you come from Mumbai, you can mention the financial capital of India. or city of dreams. You can mention something like that. You, if you come from Kolkata, you can mention, I come from city of joy, Kolkata. You can mention like that. It would spark a moment like, yeah, this guy is something different. So it would increase your chance. This small things can increase your chance of being selected. So you can mention, hello sir, I am Avinash. I come from the capital of India, Delhi. I've done my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science Engineering from Indraprasth University, and I worked for Tata Consultancy Services. Also, you can mention if you are from IIT and IT, suppose. So you can mention it like, I have done my Bachelor of Technology from Indian Institute of Technology, like that, or National Institute of Technology, or you can mention prestigious National Institute of Technology, or a prestigious Indian Institute of Technology. So if you are passed out from good college, then you can emphasis on that portion. And for work you can mention, I worked in TCS for 2 years. You can mention basic about your roles, where I work for the leading banking client of the India, and help them making their operation smooth, running their operation smooth. So you can just mention basic things, not everything, because they will ask after that. If you will mention little bit things, so they will get curious about asking all those things. And if they ask questions from workex, it would be good for us, because it would be our strong zone. I consider that it would be your strong zone. So after that, you can mention, suppose you are good at your hobbies are writing poetries. So you can mention that, I believe that words are the best way to express your feelings, and that's why my hobby shifted towards writing poetries, and I used to express my views and express my feelings towards the words. And you can mention like that. Don't mention like, I used to, my hobbies are writing poetries. No, it's a very wrong approach. So you can mention like that, I believe that words are the best way to express your feelings, and from there my hobbies developed in writing poetries. I am writing a lot of many good poetries related to whatever domain you are writing in. So you can mention that. Also, you can mention that I'm good at playing cricket and recently won a cricket tournament, inter college level. You can mention those things. And at the end, you can end with, thank you sir, that's all about me. You can mention like that. So I think it would be a perfect answer. But keep in mind, you have to don't say things straightforward. You have to say things in a very interesting and creative way, so that it would feel like, yeah, this guy is something different. Like, he seems interesting, or she seems interesting. So that's all about today. For this answer, I hope it would help you to ace your IIM journey. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. I am taking time from my busy schedule to record these videos, and it takes a lot of time. This 5 minute 6 minute videos takes a lot of time. So I hope you will subscribe this YouTube channel. Also share with your friends and like our video. You can also comment what video do you want next, so that I can upload related to that. I will be also uploading interviews of different colleges and from person of different backgrounds. So please stay updated. I hope some of you will meet me at IIM Trichy in June, maybe. Thank you.